Hi guys, welcome to our second Beanstack tutorial on how to use Beanstack for summer 2020 at Bastrop Public Library. Okay, as you can see, I am already logged into my account. And if you need to create an account, go back and watch the first video. We taught you how to do that there. So you can see up here in the top left corner is a green button that says log, reading, and activities. Okay, so you can log for anybody. You can log for yourself or you can log for your child. So we're gonna pretend like I'm gonna log for Joe. And I'm gonna click on the day that he read. So today is the 22nd. And I'm gonna say that Joe spent 30 minutes reading. I can put a title if I want. Say he read Hank the Cow Dog, which is by Erickson. And you could include a review if you want so that we at the library know if you liked your book or not. And that actually is very helpful for us. It allows us to know what kinds of books are popular with our patrons or which kinds of books are not popular with our patrons so that we avoid buying those books that you don't like. But I'm going to say that Joe does not want to write a review. So then I click log, and there we are.